Allie said she taught her some ugly words.
He says, you ain't how to teach a bird. That's what you're a good boy. See, that's what you said, Roger. That's what you teach a bird. Now they catch me. Huh? What do you say? Okay, what you want me to tell you? You're a sweet boy. You're a mean little devil. You're a mean little devil. Okay, you're a mean little devil.
I get it from another cop. Which one?
What? What you want to know?
Play me some music.
Play you some music. I ain't got no music. You want me to sing?
You just asked me to go with that.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Where's my gun? I'll kill you first.
Are you going to sleep? You got ants in your pants? Are you got ants in your pants? What's wrong with you, choked? Are you choked?
Where are yours? You shot my butt.
Are you taking a stink? You taking a stink?
You want to shot me first.
What's wrong with you, bird?
Point range and I'm still here. Okay, what's gonna make a big deal of it? Right, you're saying this.
What's wrong with you, boy? Huh? What did you do? Did you shit in your britches?
You know this guy.
Hey, you shit in your britches.
How is that pop?
Talk to me.
29 Joliet. Remember the guy you was?
Did you shit in your britches?
What? I take a second generation food.
What's wrong with you? You constipated. You got a turd hung?
You're lucky fellow.
He ain't saying a doggone thing. Wake up.
Can't do no high time.
Wake
He's
up.
dancing, Mama. He's dancing. You gotta let him dance.
I won't dance with you. Well, stop dancing and start talking.
You tell us something good enough, so we forgive you for being a loser.
Repeat after me.
Okay, did you got dookie in your britches?
Dad, if you got this in your britches.
Did you shit in your britches? Did you shit in your britches?
Repeat after me.
Did you shit in your britches?
Finest stuff.
If you shit in your britches.
Well, I tell you, I'm not gonna clean your butt.
Repeat after me.
I'm not gonna clean your butt. I'm not gonna clean your
Not
butt.
gonna clean your butt. Repeat after me.
Okay, what you want me to repeat after you? Are you a
What
pretty?
would you want me to repeat after me?
Do you think you're a pretty bird? Are you a
Repeat
pretty?
after me.
Are you a pretty bird?
Are you a pretty bird?
Come over here.
Well, you want to go fishing? You want to go fishing?
Repeat after me.
Okay, do you want to go fishing?
$3 million.
Hey, do you want to go fishing?
You lost the listen me the
Oh,
opportunity. Besides, there's other ways of getting the dollars. By using this much stuff, he's a deep club. Be a good one.
well, I'm about to run out.
What do you care?
Well, I'm about to run out.
I think you're stupid.
What's your favorite movie? Goodbye.
I think you're
I think you're stupid.
Is that talking?
TD Land. For people who prefer
I think you're stupid.
between taxes
I think you're sweet.
I really struggled with my fibromyalgia.
I think you're sweet.
Over the My muscles ache, so tender to the touch.
Do you want a girlfriend?
Really widespread pain condition, which also makes daily
Do you want a
difficult.
Do you want a girlfriend?
Recently, there were no medicines approved by the FDA to manage
Hey.
My girlfriend.
Prescription medication is the only FDA-approved treatment that can help relieve fibromyalgia
I
pain
give
and
up.
function. Lyrica is not for everyone. Some of the most common side effects of Lyrica
Why don't you go to bed and
weight
go to
gain
sleep?
and swelling of hands and feet. Tell your doctor
Why'd
right
you
away
go to
about
bed
any
and go to
serious
sleep?
allergic reaction, swelling, or affect your breathing, or your skin, or about any changes in
I'll tell you
eyesight
one
or muscle
thing.
pain, along with a fever or tired feeling. You should not drive or operate machinery until you know how Lyrica affects you. Ask your doctor if Lyrica's right for
Lord,
you.
I tell you, when they made you, they throwed away the pattern.
You can never have too many people on your side. Right there.
When they made you, they threw a pattern away.
Two names committed to improving senior health.
When they made you that threw a
Introducing AARP Medicare
Well, are you ready to go to bed?
Horizons, the only Medicare Advantage plan with the AARP name on it. AARP
Are you ready to go to bed?
to seniors and all Medicare beneficiaries. We can help you get
Huh?
more from your Medicare
What is it?
benefits. Call today for a free education.
What's up? A bird?
Increases the number of receptors in your brain that thrive on nicotine.
Are you ready to go to bed?
Fly away. They go mad.
Are you ready to go to bed?
Be stuffed gradually and helps give your willpower a fighting chance.
Are you sleep? You farted. You farted.
Good night.
Good night.